Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check RAM type in Windows laptop. So if you have a Windows computer, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, and you want to check whether your Windows RAM is DDR3 or DDR4, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to check your Windows RAM type, you may want to go to the taskbar, right click on it, select Task Manager. A lot of videos suggested this. If you check through videos on how to find your RAM type on YouTube, you selected Performance and then select Memory. Now, once you selected Memory, you discover that your RAM type is not here. Now, let me show you how to find your RAM type using Command Prompt. Click on the Start button, search for Command Prompt, then open it. Once open Command Prompt on your Windows, then type this command gently. WMIC spacebar, then type memory chip spacebar, get spacebar, part number, and then click on the enter button. Then you should see the result here under the part number. Then highlight any of the part numbers, press the Ctrl and C button on your computer to copy it. Once copied, go ahead and open a browser. Then here, paste the part number you copied and hit enter. Once you click on the enter button, then you want to hang on for the page to load, or once it loads, click on any of the results on the search page to see more information about the part number. Then select it. Now, once you selected any of the results on the page, then you're going to see your part number just like this. Then you can see my PC is using the Samsung DDR4 RAM. So if you scroll down, you should see more information about the specification of the DDR4 RAM or the part number you copied and pasted. You see that? You can see the speed is up to 2400 megabytes per second. The organization, the density, and then application. Also voltage, temperature, as well as the package and production status. So this is mass production RAM. So with this, you can find out whether your laptop or desktop is using DDR3 or DDR4. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.